Hello and happy holidays, Solid Bricks fans. We are back continuing this Advent Calendar series, and we're going to do part 9. So yeah, let's do it. As you can see, we are making a table with a glass bottle on it. So let's begin. And here it is. So here is the legs of the table, and here is the glass bottle and the top of the glass bottle. So let's put this with the rest of our builds. And here it is. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing, and also share it with your friends and stuff. And thank you for watching.